My name's Adam Sales. I've been working for Goodfellow for over a decade in business development, working with customers to find solutions to their materials challenges. The mission at Goodfellow is to offer the widest selection of stock materials and custom manufacturing solutions to meet the needs of research and industry globally. And that's everything. Pure metals, we've got most of the periodic table covered, precious metals, alloys, compounds, composites, plastics, ceramics. So if you need a material and then in a particular form as well, so we'll stock foils, wires, nuts, bolts, kind of any form that you can imagine, and then as many sizes of those forms as well. Goodfellow's been around for around 70 years, so we've been providing materials to places like CERN and the other facilities for a long time. The impact of working with international big science facilities with Goodfellow has been how it's pushed our own manufacturing capabilities, and we've innovated to meet the needs and the requirements of these institutions. So if we're talking about some specific projects that we've worked on and how they've impacted Goodfellow and how they've had an impact on the end users, a lot of the ones that I would think about would be to do with foils, because that's core to what we do, and we've got unique capabilities in processing foils. One that springs to mind where we had to do quite a lot of work backwards and forwards was for some gadolinium foils that were for a detector, which was a joint project between the ESRF and CERN. And gadolinium is quite a difficult material to work with. There's not that many people that will be processing it and rolling it into very thin foils. And we had a lot of feedback about the quality of the surface of those foils, the sort of wrinkles and imperfections that you would get. And we did quite a lot of work refining our processing to produce foils with the best surface quality and the largest area possible. So it had an impact on us in terms of it helped us improve our capabilities in terms of our processing, and then also gave the researcher and the end user a better product for their application. So it's things like that where you're being asked for requirements that are pushing the boundaries that then enable you to improve yourself. It's nice because you've got people at the other end that are passionate about what they're doing. They're very knowledgeable about their particular field. And then we're also passionate about materials. We have material scientists, so we can kind of work sometimes kind of in that interdisciplinary way where they've got the specialist in physics or whatever area, and we've got the material scientist. So I think we're very proud of some of the things that we've managed to work on. It's great working with the ILO team. They support us with access to the facilities, with notification of tenders, and feedback and generally supporting communication.